Alright, so here is a review of the Gourmet air fryer. We have used it now for about a week. I would say that it's awesome. Love it. This is how you turn it on. You could select toast. You can select your temperature, time. There's a million different things you can do. And then you push the go button for on or to start. This is for off. So anyway, it comes with this little sheet that we covered with foil, just to make it easy. It also came with this rack here. It also comes with this rack, which is dirty now because we've been using it. And then it comes with a instructions here also. And kind of it comes with like a guide of like how to cook things. Anyway, these doors shut automatically together, which I really like. I think it's a great product. I really like the black. I think it looks really nice. So anyway, great product. I think overall a good deal.
Hands down one of my favorite purchases. Air fryer, okay? It's a French door style, so you don't have one of those fold down doors that you get crumbs all in the crack right there and you gotta clean it constantly. It's got a great drip tray. It's got a pan, a rack, and an air fry rack. Comes with a really cool chart, tells you how to cook everything. Comes with a little cookbook that's got all kinds of recipes, including how to make a steak. So, obviously an operations manual. And then if you look at the thing, once you turn it on, it's got a convection bake, it's got a regular bake, it's got a toaster, it's got a dehydrator, and it's an air fry. So, it's not just an air fryer. It even has a setting to keep your food warm and reheat food. Hands down one of my favorite cooking purchases ever.
Proven thing. If we're accused of a crime, he's been accused of a crime, doesn't have to prove anything. It's up to the state to prove everything beyond any reasonable doubt, every element of every crime that has been charged. But his silence, when you combine that with his stony presence in the courtroom, give you an indication of who this